what's expected or what we need versus.
It makes a huge difference. I'd say a lot of people want liver, and for that reason, most providers will do this case under ultrasound guidance, so they'll know where they're putting their forceps. Kind of rate-limiting step of the procedure is calvarium. Calvarium, the head is basically the biggest part. Most of the other stuff can come out intact.
Right.
It's very rare to have a patient that doesn't have enough dilation to evacuate all the
To bring the body cavity out, intact and all that.
So then you're just kind of cognizant of where you put your graspers. We try to intentionally go above and below the thorax so that, we've been very good at getting hard, long liver, because we know that, so I'm not going to crush that part. I'm going to basically crush below, I'm going to crush above, and I'm going to see if I get it all intact. And with the calvarium, in general, some people will actually try to change the presentation so that it's not vertex. So it's a vertex presentation. You never have enough dilation at the beginning unless you have a real huge amount of dilation to deliver an intact calvarium. So if you do it starting from the breech presentation, there's dilation that happens as the case goes on, and often the last you can evacuate an intact calvarium. So I mean, there are certainly steps that can be taken.
So they can convert to breech, for example, at the start of the.
Exactly. Under ultrasound guidance, they can just change the presentation. So the preparation and everything will be exactly the same as everybody else. It's just the order of the removal of the product that is different, and most people see that as not.
Yeah, no, because we're not talking about like it needs to be a hysterotomy and like something crazy like that in order to, I was thinking there was probably an easier solution to this problem.
Yeah, and we've been pretty successful with that.
Yeah,
I'd say.
So yesterday was a clinic day. So for example, like what did you procure?
I asked her at the beginning of the day what she wanted. Yesterday she's been a lot of people want intact parts these days because they're looking for specific notes. AV notes, SA. I was like, wow, I didn't even know. Good for them. Yesterday was the first time she said people wanted lungs. And then she felt like I said, always as many intact livers as possible. People just want
livers.
Some people want lower extremities too, which that's simple. I mean, that's easy. I don't know what they're doing with it. I guess they want muscle. But,
yeah, a dime a dozen.
But I think it's good to have so this is kind of another consideration to make, is when you do partner with a clinic, you're probably partnering with the manager or the owner or the director. You're not so much having a relationship with the providers, but I think it helps to have a relationship with the provider, because if you do, you can have this conversation with them.
Exactly.
You can say, this is what this is what we're looking for today, and they're more apt to. I get in the back of their mind. Absolutely, and of course I want to help. I'd rather this actually be used for something. So I think just as much as the patients, the providers absolutely want to help.
Exactly. And if it's something as